Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's coming here. Video I'm talking about why Shopify will never work for you. Boom. You like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tell you right now. So you gotta have good a product and good marketing. Your page has to look simple. It has to look quick. And when you market the product, you gotta test your advertisements. And the ones that don't work, you gotta cut those advertisements because then you burning your dollars. And you might run out your budget and you want to optimize your dollars. So you do more of the winner advertisements and less of the losers. So then you find out like boom what your winner advertisements had. You create more like it. Like there might be like books, magazines, celebrities and shit that have to do with that product. So you do more of that on your advertisement. And then the ones that don't got to do with it, you see the cost per click and all that has nothing to do with it. You don't target that anymore, so that you can keep advertising. And yeah, because of that reason, most people like do that shit. Like they target, they test the correct. They keep testing until they find the correct audience to market to, so that you keep spending your dollars and keep your ads active. That's why your Shopify will never work. Whether it's Google or Facebook, Google, or TikTok ads is that. Um, yeah, you gotta fucking you gotta do that. That's why your Shopify will never work. You gotta do that. Like you gotta advertise to the correct audience that's gonna give you uh, your optimized um cost per click to add to cart and purchases. Really, purchases is what you're looking for. So the audiences that are not, cut those. You see like what device they were using, whether they were male, female, and then you find out, boom. Now I'm gonna target more of that audience, more of the males, because the males are purchasing your product more. Or people on iPhone are purchasing your stuff more than other devices. So now you're gonna target people on iPhone male. Basically, is you want to test products and find like your winning metrics. So you don't burn your dollars and run out your budget and shit like that, or just blindly keep wasting on ad. But boom, that's why people like their shit fails for real. Then you want to have like the purchases data, and I just told you how to refine it. So if people, mainly male people, bought your stuff, then female, like if you had a brawl, that's for females. Your data is gonna show that females bought it more. If you had like some workout stuff, it's probably gonna show that males bought it more. Like stuff like that. So you refine your advert to that. So you keep getting the metrics. You want more purchases, right? Boom. And then you get all your purchases data and you upload it back into there, and it shows you more people of that audience. You want more of the metric. You want not the metric that you had to test to get what you want, because then you're just gonna burn your average dollars. Okay, so it's like a process of refining it to seeing that, like what metrics is like giving you the best purchases, cost per purchase, that shit. That is positive. So like the ad spend, the cost of goods sold to the purchase, like the net profit. So you sell mad units, really looking at the net profit. That's why most people These other Shopify shit it's failed. I'm telling you. That's why you gotta refine that. You gotta, you know, make sure that you advertising, you optimize for the metric that's working, so you don't burn all your dollars and blindly just spending on ads. You don't know what you optimizing for is for purchases, and you cutting off losers and you create more of the winning metric. And then something called horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. You basically say there's a type of celebrity that for your product, that audience, they purchase. So you find a similar celebrity to that person, and since they're similar, the similar audience could purchase. That's perfect testing. Good. Alright, boom. That's how you horizontally scale. And then once all that shit is winning, all your ads are giving you a good cost per purchase, you can up the dollar amount like 2 times. That's vertical scaling. Once you get purchases, you can get the purchase data uploaded to give you a similar audience. You can do the same shit. You can create another similar audience on that similar audience, and you can up the dollar amount times 2. The blue swan basically is all in the marketing of this stuff. That's what it is. While it could fail, you might get ad fatigue. Um, your site has to load up fast, so you get a higher conversion ratio. You can do email marketing, upselling through that to optimize your back ends. But really, why it mainly fails is because you probably doing some outdated shit and just blindly spending. You put a shitty ass product, you gotta find out that the product actually solves the problem and it makes them feel better too, as well as good marketing. I hope y'all found that useful. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.